We're unboxing the NETVUE camera right here. This also includes a solar panel to go ahead and keep it running for you. So you don't have to worry about taking it down, charging it up, or anything like that. So I'm gonna show you guys what is included in this kit. The very first thing you're gonna get is the manual here for you. The next thing you're gonna go ahead and find right here is gonna be this awesome little solar panel. Now you can go ahead and mount this right here. It's going to have a really nice long cord, so you don't have to mount it right beside the camera. So if you're putting your camera like on a dark part of your house, you can actually have this here kind of wrapped around your house or a pole or wherever it might be to actually go ahead and install this. Now you do get two mounts included right here with it. So you get two of these here. One's going to be for the camera and the other one is actually going to be for your solar panel. So you easily go ahead and screw this in. You're going to mount it on, screw it in from there with it. Makes it nice, easy to install with it. And then you also have your actual charging cable for the actual camera itself. Show you guys the camera. Now this camera right here is also really cool. Look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. So this is a 5-volt, 1.5 amp camera with it. Kind of nice. Now the cool thing about this camera right here is that it has the built-in battery. It does have night vision built in, live video. It does also have a spotlight included. So that way at nighttime, if it detects someone, it's automatically going to go ahead and turn on. So that way you get better video. And also alerts them too as well that, you know, they are being recorded. This is waterproof, weatherproof for you. It uses a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network on there, which is actually the longer distance your Wi-Fi can actually run versus a 5 gigahertz. It does have a person detection system, the PIR, and you can also install a micro SD card in here as well for the storage, which is right back here with it underneath. So you can just go, this is like a little weatherproof kind of thing. You pop that part right there off and you go ahead and put in your SD card with it. So we can go ahead and pop that right there off, and right there is where your SD card will go ahead and live. That's also where you go ahead and charge this up too as well. Now I do suggest go ahead and charge this up, even if you're going to use solar, to go ahead and give it a full charge. And then after that point, if you're using solar with the solar panel that's included, you're pretty much good to go from there. I like the fact that it also has the antenna, so it has a nice long range on your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network with it. But overall, it should be a great camera for you. And I hope you found this helpful.